I'm Jill, and today I'm going to talk to you about conditionals in English. In English, we have 4 conditionals: the zero conditional, the first conditional, the second conditional, and the third conditional. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the second conditional. In my last video, I talked about the zero and the first conditional. So if you haven't watched that yet, maybe you'd like to start there. The link is up here. Okay, so let's look at the second conditional in English. We use the second conditional to talk about unreal, hypothetical, or unlikely situations. We still have 2 clauses, the if clause and the main clause, the resulting clause. The if clause, we use the past tense, and in the main clause, we use would with the infinitive. Again, both clauses can go either way round. If, then result, or result and if. So let's take a look at some examples of the second conditional in English. You expect me to cycle to university on this. You'll have to. But it's 300 kilometers. If I was rich, I would buy you a car. Here are 3 ways we use the second conditional in English. We use the second conditional to ask hypothetical questions, like, what would you do if you had $1 million? What would you do if you had $1 million? If you had $1 million, what would you do?
If I had $1 million, I'd fly to the moon.
If I had $1 million, I would travel the world.
If I had $1 million, I wouldn't have to work and I'd spend my life traveling. If I had $1 million, I would buy myself a car. We also use the second conditional to give advice or suggestions. Should I have soup or salad for lunch? If I was you, I would have salad. Red or blue? If I was you, I would choose red. And we use the second conditional to give reasons why. If I was rich, I would buy you a car. If and would are in separate clauses. Don't let them touch. So just to recap again, the second conditional we use in English to talk about hypothetical or unreal situations in the present or the future. We use the past tense in the if clause and would with the infinitive in the main clause. And both clauses can go either way around. If, then main, or main, then if. Second conditional is all about dreams and hypothetical situations and what you would do if you had the chance. I care about the environment and I do what I can in small ways to help. But if I had unlimited money in that imaginary situation, that second conditional situation, if I had unlimited money, I would fit solar panels to every building in Cairns and batteries, and Cairns would run on 100% renewable energy. That's my dream. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you understand a little bit more about second conditional in English. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for lots more English videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for lots of motivation and inspiration. Thanks for watching.